I'll discuss how that's relevant to how I am in my life at this point. So it reads this way. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. And I'll just introduce myself. I am Sharon Simone. I am the author of Yielding Life Unraveled. And what I do in each of these episodes is I read a page or two from the book, and then I ask you some questions that we could discuss in the comments below. So today I am reading from page 55, and it's when Viv finds her happy place, her peaceful, calming space where she's just able to be. And let me get into it, and then I'll discuss how that's relevant to how I am in my life at this point. So it reads this way. I need to be here. My eyes dance on the water. The wind kisses my face. I let my mind rise and fall with the waves. I just need to be. My mind grows quiet. Why did I wait so long? The ebbing of the waves claims more sand with each retreat. 3 hours away from home. I could be here every week. My eyes are mesmerized by the lingering white foam. If I'd allow myself, I need to commit to myself, myself. Droplets of water lightly spray my face. I close my eyes, allowing them to wash my eyelids. This is my time. The froth creeps up to my toes. My time, myself, accept. My focus returns to the distance. I will my mind to remain open. Respect. I inhale. I am enough. I exhale. I have all the answers in my spirit. I open my eyes with a start. What did I just say? Okay. So we get a sense of Viv's cells calming down and her entering a space where she could just be and connect to nature. And for her, her connection is with the water. And this, I admit, is very much me. Every home that I've ever lived has been no more than 10, 15 minutes away from water, sometimes as close as throwing a rock, especially when I was living in Africa. And that is what grounds me, is the water. I find it healing. I find it's where I go when I just want to rest my mind and kind of get clarity. And so I dropped that in the book as another place that Viv could find her connection to herself. And it's funny, where I'm in right now, I'm so grateful to my friend. She allowed me to film on her property, and it's vast, and there is a river not too far from here. And as soon as I stepped in her home, as soon as I stepped on her land, I was just feeling so at peace. And I was just able to let down every worry, every thought, every concern right at the door. And I can't tell you how grateful I am to her that I have this opportunity to do so. So I thank her, respecting her privacy. I'm not going to name her, but I just want to publicly say thank you for giving me access to this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful green, lush space. I'm really happy. So obviously, my question for you is, where do you also connect to yourself and possibly connect to nature that gives you calm? Where is your peaceful place? And it doesn't have to be majestic. It could be as small as a parquet near your home, or a corner of your room where you have a diffuser and maybe a plant. But where do you connect to nature? And where are those spaces where you find peace and able to just come to yourself and calm your own cells down? Let me know in the comments. Let's share there. And again, if you are enjoying these episodes, I really encourage you to subscribe so that when I do drop an episode on Sunday, you're the first to know. Thank you, and I look forward to our next episode together. You take care.